a formal complaint of discrimination with the state.
Developing story now in northern Spain, where this morning crews continue to look for victims in a deadly train crash there. Right now, death toll stands at 77, but that number could rise as workers are having trouble accessing some parts of the train. A Spanish newspaper reporting this morning the train was traveling over double the speed limit in a curvy stretch when it crashed.
It is 6:30.